Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by uploading the source file and confirming permissions so Zeemo can access audio and storage. Once uploaded, choose the speech language and a caption style that matches your branding. This affects line length and font. Make sure to pick automatic transcription versus human edit based on turnaround and budget. You should also set timestamps and speaker detection now. These early choices determine edit complexity later, so do them before starting transcription to avoid rework. Once transcription begins, watch the progress and open the editor to intervene early. Quick corrections save time. You'll see a timeline with word-level timestamps. Use the scrubber to jump to suspect phrases and correct words directly in line. Then apply speaker labels and merge or split segments for readable caption lengths. Make sure punctuation rules are applied and adjust timing with 0. 5-second nudges so captions appear with speech. Finally, preview to confirm sync and readability before rendering. To finish, export captions in the format you need: SRT for platforms, VTT for web, or burn in MP4 for fixed subtitles, and set frame rate to match the original. Then perform a full quality check by watching the entire video and noting errors like misheard names, acronyms, or dropped audio. If timing still drifts, rerun only affected segments or upload a corrected transcript to resync. If you hit a persistent issue, contact Zeemo support with timestamps so they can diagnose quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.